In the heart of the big ocean live the souls of ancestors who have not left the world of man. The ancestors give the sorcerers a power, the mana, which enables them to perform wonders. It was wartime and the island was surrounded by enemy boats. Our ancestors were going to be massacred. The sorcerers of the island united all of their powers and dug up a breadfruit tree to make a boat, but they gave the boat the form of a shark. They all slid inside and the trunk came to life. The shark overturned the boats and devoured the invaders. Ambryn is the Black Island, an island of volcanoes and magic. The sea is not a hospitable world for the Melanesian people. They are peasants and live off the land. For centuries, they have turned inland rather than towards the ocean. The Melanesians, however, came from southern China by sea. They colonized the Pacific Islands, wandering in their pirogues at the mercy of the winds. Many died, others came to a new land, surging up out of the immense ocean. The island is volcanic, and its coasts sink deeply into the waves. Fishing here has always been almost impossible. Koran, however, is a fisherman. The Vanuatu is in the Pacific Ocean between New Caledonia and the Fiji Islands. Ambryn is one of Vanuatu's 40 islands. Until 1980, the archipelago was called the New Hebrides. It became independent and took the name Vanuatu, meaning our country. People here see the world as an ocean and the islands as stars. Their space is reduced to the lands they can see. Beyond, the sky dives into the waves and blocks the horizon. It is the domain of the spirits. For everyone here, the length of the world is limited, but its depth infinite. It stretches vertically, and at the bottom of the water live the Yatimus, the spirits of the ocean depths. Koran fishes for vivanot, sometimes called chickenfish, which live between 200 and 300 meters deep. It's difficult to feel a fish biting when you're using 300 meters of tackle. At the slightest quiver, you have to bring up the line. For the past few days, Koran hasn't caught anything. It's as if there were no more fish around. The use of reels is recent. The pirogue is traditional. By associating these two techniques, Koran can use a new resource which nobody else has used before. The reel, however, is not a common object, and Koran must use it to penetrate the unknown parts of the abyss. The spirits which haunt the bottom of the sea are dreaded, and for fear that they will hear you, their names are seldom mentioned. Only the sorcerers know how to talk to them. Fishing in this strange and haunted world holds many surprises for Koran. Here, Mother, look what I caught. They haven't been biting for days, and today I brought back just a head. I don't understand what's happening. The sharks don't usually eat my fish. There's a spell on me. It's magic. You must talk to the inland people who live near the volcano. They say that the volcano speaks to them from the world of the spirits. Tomorrow I will go to the sorcerer Magenok. He will talk to the spirits and ask them why the sharks won't let me fish. Magenok lives alone in the forest. He's an inland person. He's part of the strength and power of the forest, a man of magic. The sorcerers of Ambryn are renowned throughout the archipelago. They are feared and respected. They belong to secret societies. Each sorcerer has a rank obtained during ritual ceremonies, which corresponds to the knowledge of sorcery he has acquired. I came because yesterday I caught a fish, and all that was left was his head. The sharks had eaten it, and for several days I haven't caught anything. Listen, Koran. You must climb the volcano. The volcano is a great spirit. It will reveal the reasons for the bad luck that weighs upon you. Fishing with a reel is not part of our customs. You have disturbed our ways. Once we are up there, looking into the volcano's mouth, I will speak to it. Don't be afraid, I will be there. I am the sorcerer of the volcano. Entering the forest means entering the mysterious world of the earth spirits. It's rare to venture here alone. Although there are no dangerous animals, there are little evil spirits with long hair and hooked nails. The Maram volcano is still alive. It gets angry often, and its eruptions threaten our villages. Before, everything was green here. The lava flow destroyed all the plant life. We cannot just take any path. This is the path of the dead. After death, the soul goes to the world below, through the mouth of the volcano. We, the living, must take another path to reach the crater. To show that we have not come to challenge the world of the dead and that we respect our ancestors, we will give the volcano a green branch as a sign of submission to the sacred force of nature, which is constantly reborn even after destruction by the volcano. We must thank the volcano because it helps our land to become fertile again, and because it allows us to stay in contact with our ancestors. Volcano, give us an answer to Koran's problem. May my questions enter you, and if you would, Volcano, give me your answer.